Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Bolt.new to create a website. In order to do so, here we are at Bolt.new, and we can just start chatting here. But first thing I could tell you with Bolt is that depending on your idea, it might require some more time. If you want to do something rather simple, then it can be quite straightforward. But if it's a little bit more involved, then it is going to require you to spend more time with it. And you're most likely going to need to get that subscription because there is some limited credits you can use for a first-time user. But if you're really going to get the full thing, get the most out of it, you're going to need to go with the subscription. So let's just take a look here at the pricing. You can see here that we've got the free version, we've got the pro version for $20 a month and the team version for $30 a month. So just bear that in mind. One thing I can tell you though, having used Bolt, is that it really is a fantastic platform, really quite intuitive. So check it out. It's very cool. Sign in. Let's go ahead and sign in with Google. And how can Bolt help you today? So let's go ahead and think of our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a website for daily workout recommendations. Something simple like that. We're going to go ahead and send that. And let's see here. So it's going to ask us some questions. We can get more tokens if we do this. So, well, let's go ahead and do that real quick. What best describes your role? So this is actually thinking in the meantime, so that's quite nice. Bolt is already hard at work on our website. Let's go ahead and say content creator here. Let's see, we'll say agency or consultancy. How would you describe your AI no-code building experience? Beginner. How are you primarily building projects for, say, team or company? What are you looking to achieve with Bolt? Built and launch an app, and complete. And here we go. So we have gotten some extra credits for doing that. So that's pretty cool. So in the meantime here, Bolt is hard at work on our website. This is probably going to take a little bit, but you can see here for yourself that it's already putting together the pieces for our website. And we have our preview here. We can also take a look at the code. So if you click on that here, then you can actually see as Bolt is putting the code together for the website. So that's very cool, but we'll go ahead and just take a look at the preview. Actually, we'll take a look at the code for now, just because that's more interesting than a blank screen. And you can see here that Bolt is hard at work thinking of the details for our website. So let's go ahead and just let Bolt think here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so in really not much time at all, we already have our website here. So we have Fit Daily, your daily fitness journey, personalized workout recommendations tailored to your goals, delivered fresh every day. So start today's workout, view all programs, perfect workout for you based on your preferences and goals. Here's your personalized workout for today. So we've got power training, advanced strength training with compound lifts and explosive movements. So every day we're going to get a workout suggestion. So if you're looking for something that will keep you interested and give you some different suggestions, check out Fit Daily. And if you go to our link tree in the description, join us on Discord and you can gain access to all of our apps as we make them. So you can see here that this has already been put together. Some really amazing stuff here. Here we go. We have a variety of other workout suggestions as well. Let's go ahead and click on start workout. I'm curious to see what's going to happen there. I think that what we need to do, this is an example of where you can get some really neat stuff out of Bolt, but when it comes to really digging in and making sure that everything works as intended, you are going to need to spend some time with it. So right now, the links here, they don't work. But once you are ready to proceed and everything is put together, then you can go to the deploy option here up at the top. And then Bolt is going to deploy this application to Netlify. And once it does that, then you will get a link and your website will be launched and anybody can go to it. So it's really quite straightforward and really quite powerful. Now, as I said, in order to have everything work as intended, like to have all the links here and stuff, you are going to need to spend some time with it. So I recommend taking a look at the FAQs for Bolt, maybe go to their YouTube page and just do a deeper dive into exactly how everything works here. But at the very least, as far as a landing page for our daily workout recommendations, this is already giving us something really slick to take a look at, and you can get an idea here for what you can do for your own websites. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, again, take a look in the description and you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to start an account, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It is a win-win situation. It's a great deal, and Simply Financial is a wonderful bank. Comes highly recommended.